Hello and welcome to the GSSC Web Help for adding a new job opening to the GSSC website. And once the form comes up, most of the fields are fairly straightforward. There are a couple that we will talk about specifically, but I'm just going to start filling out the information on this form, and then we'll come back and talk about the data that's here. Okay, now I have cut and pasted information into the different fields on the form, so that this is something you can do. You'll be able to use any type of text editor to cut or copy text from and paste into the fields. The job opening summary is simply a text field, so there's no formatting you can really do there. But the job description and requirements field is a rich text editor, and you can do things like bold, italicize, underline. You can have bulleted list or numbered list, as I've done here, so you can see the information I put in there. Also, this field is expandable if you need more room to be able to sort of see what you're actually putting in there, and you can scroll up and down in there. So we put that information in there. The next group of fields, contact name, phone, email, and URL to apply online, are actually picked up from the user account that's filling out the form, so that should be filled in for you. The next important field is the date the posting expires. The job posting will appear on the GSSC website until the date that you select here is passed. So if we wanted this, for example, to be open for a couple of weeks through the 18th of January, once the 18th of January passes, the job will no longer be shown as an active job on the GSSC website, but up until then it will. The other good news about that field is later on you can come back once a job posting expires. You can come back and change that date to reactivate that job posting. So if all the data is the same, the information is the same in there, all you have to do is change that date. And then you'd also want to select the category, job opening, and then whether it's administrative or skilled craft, and then perhaps the craft that it would be there. And then simply click Add Job Listing. By the way, the fields that have the contact name, the URL, the phone number, and all of that, those are editable, so you can change those. And so there you have, once you have entered the job, it will come up and show you what it's going to look like. One thing to notice is that sometimes the formatting that you do will not appear on the web page quite as you thought it would. So you want to go back and look at that and make sure, and then if you need to edit that, you'll be able to go back and edit it. So that pretty well wraps it up for entering a job listing. Thank you for watching.